In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gift cards in Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, I'll explain what we'll accomplish. You'll create a gift card product in your Shopify admin so customers can buy store credit for others. Gift cards are a great way to boost sales, give customers flexibility, and encourage repeat visits. So it's worth setting them up clearly and attractively. Begin in your Shopify admin and go to Products. Then select Gift Cards. This is the area where all gift card products live, and it's the place to start whenever you want to add, edit, or manage balances. If you don't see this option, double-check that your plan supports gift cards and that you have the necessary permissions in your store account. Once you're on the gift cards page, click Add a gift card product. That opens the product editor configured specifically for gift cards. So you'll see fields tailored to this type of item rather than a typical inventory product. Now add the product details. Start with the title. Give it a clear, recognizable name like birthday gift card or holiday gift card. A concise title helps shoppers find and understand the product quickly. In the description box, write helpful information that appears on the product page. Include brief guidance on how recipients can redeem the card, any expiration or usage terms, and suggestions for occasions or recipients. Clear copy reduces customer questions and returns. Upload an image under Media to make the gift card visually appealing. Use a clean, branded image that reflects the purpose of the card. Simple graphics or a photo of a card design work well. Keep file sizes reasonable for fast loading and make sure the image looks good on mobile and desktop. Next, set the denominations. Define the monetary values customers can choose from, such as $25, $50, and $100. Think about typical order sizes in your store and offer options that encourage larger purchases without overwhelming shoppers with too many choices. If your store serves multiple currencies, confirm the values match the correct currency. Check the settings for this product to adjust sales channels and other options. Choose where the gift card will be available, your online store, and any other sales channels you use. Review visibility and any collection or tag settings that help customers find it. Finally, click Save Gift Card Product to make it live in your store. After saving, it's a good idea to preview the product page and, if possible, run a test purchase to verify the buying and redemption experience. That ensures customers will have a smooth process from purchase to use.